fifth product on this list is the ARIA ceramic air fryer. As the number of air fryer brands on the market keeps growing, finding ideal products remains tricky. Nevertheless, the ARIA ceramic air fryer stood out to us in many ways. Firstly, it has an extra large size of 7 quarts, so it can cook a whole chicken, a whole pizza, steaks, vegetables, meatballs, pounds of finger foods, and more for an entire family. Next, this isn't just an air fryer because it can heat up to 400 degrees in seconds, providing enough heat to fry, grill, bake, roast, toast, or reheat your food in less time. Like every air fryer, this product eliminates the need for excessive oil when cooking, reduces the fat in your food by up to 80%, and comes with a cookbook with curated recipes for a range of healthy meals. This product is FDA approved. All its parts are non-toxic, making them safe for use. Also, the air fryer is durable, preventing it from flaking, peeling, or rusting over time. Whether you are buying an air fryer for the first time or replacing a previous brand, you will find this product easy to use because it has a precision dial with which you can adjust your cooking time and temperature accurately according to your needs. Additionally, we like the preset settings for cooking chicken, vegetables, desserts, dehydration, fish, fries, and more, giving the right temperature and time that each food needs to be properly cooked. Every setting you select is shown clearly on the display screen, which is easy to read even from a distance. We like that the auto shut-off sensor comes on when the timer stops, alerting you that your food is cooked. As a complete package, this product comes with a 2-tier stainless steel rack that doubles for cooking different dishes at once, 4 flat stainless steel skewers for vegetables and meat, and a baking pan for cakes, cookies, and brownies. These accessories are all non-stick and dishwasher-safe. Its pros are, it has an array of built-in safety features, it has a decent capacity so you can make quick meals for the whole family, and it heats up rapidly so you don't waste time waiting around. However, it is not the easiest device to clean. The ARIA ceramic air fryer is ideal for anyone looking for a solidly made air fryer for their large family.